guys, good morning. I am starting today's vlog off on a gloomy Monday. I'm gonna be kind of taking you guys through my little reset routine after I have a little weekend of fun and indulgences, which is kind of every weekend. And not just the weekends, but for the most part, I like to spend time with friends and not work as much and not work out as much and, you know, eat foods and drink drinks that I wouldn't normally drink throughout the week. And that is totally fine, and that's part of life and no regrets. But I hate the phrase get back on track, so we're not gonna say that. But I love getting back into my routine after a weekend. Honestly, it makes me way more excited for my routine, and that's why I think balance is so important, because if you're constantly just on your grind and feeling good and doing whatever, like, had to move locations because my boyfriend was doing the trash in the other room, but I honestly feel like so much more motivated to get back into my routine with my work schedule, with my meals, with all of my self-care and mental health things that I do throughout the week after a fun weekend. It, for some reason, just kind of like recalibrates my, not motivation, but just like my excitement for my routine. So honestly, I'm a person that thrives off routine. There are some people that are very go with the flow. That has never been me. But again, I like to throw myself out of routine just to throw myself right back in. And I think that that is a great way to do it. For me, at least, it works really well. So today I just had breakfast. I had some eggs and homemade bread with almond butter, and I am about to head to a casting. So I'll show you guys my casting outfit. I'm going into an infrared sauna today, which is really exciting. I can't wait. I've had tons of delicious, yummy sushi, which is like a lot of sodium, and lots of drinks this weekend because it was one of my best friend Lindsay's birthday, so we were celebrating all weekend, and I'm definitely feeling it. But you know what, it's okay, because the sauna is going to help us sweat it out. We're gonna get right back onto our eating that I was doing before, that makes me feel good. And all that is essentially just home-cooked meals, but whatever I'm craving. So this morning was just eggs and toast, very simple but delicious. I'm gonna get headed out to my casting because it's like 40 minutes away, show you guys my outfit, and I'll show you guys the rest of the day and kind of what I do. Okay, so here is the casting outfit. It's very basic. Jeans, these little mules, a white Skims tank, and this little jacket from Zara, my white purse. I'm about to grab my iPad. Pants. Oh my god. I actually just updated my portfolio on my iPad this morning, so that's all fresh. I did a ton of work this morning, jumped right into it. I didn't like dilly-dally and sit around and sit on my phone all morning. I actually like got to work, which felt really great. So I'm feeling super prepared for my casting. Thank God for dry shampoo because I have not washed my hair, but it's fine. So here we go. Guys, honestly, I also just want to say, before I kind of start this whole video about how I get back in routine and blah, 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 I know routines are great. They're super important. You know, they're great for your mental health, but there is also so much importance in spending quality time with friends and family, loved ones, memories, having all of these life experiences, and not beating yourself up over the fact that you're thrown out of your routine. Trust me when I say I have spent so many months and years and just so much time of my life wasted thinking about, oh my god, I'm out of my routine, you know, I did X, Y, and Z, and feeling guilty about it. And guys, it is not worth doing that. I honestly say this to all of my friends, and I have to remind myself of it too and say it to myself, but it is so important to allow yourself to enjoy life and have fun. And that stuff is equally important as, you know, taking your supplements and drinking your water and doing all of that. That's all great, but it's also important. Like, you're a human being. You do not just exist to follow a daily, you know, morning routine. That's not the only reason why you're alive, you know? And I know it takes time to get out of that mindset, but you do not want to feel guilty after a weekend of having fun with your friends, you know? I feel like all you got to do is just let it go, keep it pushing the next day, go right back to your healthy habits, and don't change anything. You know, you don't have to do an extra workout because you had pizza or sushi on the weekend. You don't have to eat less the next day or swear off alcohol for a month because you had a few cocktails with friends. Like, even if you had a big night and you ate a ton of stuff that you don't normally eat and you drank a ton, like, oh well, you know what I mean? Keep it going the next day and just do your normal, do what makes you feel good. You know that by now. If you're a routine-oriented person, you know what makes you feel good. So just get right back into it. Don't stress it, don't sweat it. That's what I do now, and I know it hasn't always been that way, and I haven't always portrayed that on YouTube of like, you know, balance, but the Libra in me really needs to always be looking for balance, and I need that. I need the fun, and I also need the structure and routine throughout the week. So there's nothing wrong with that, guys. That does not make you a bad person because you are straying from your routine. So anyways, that being said, I'm not working out today. I'm gonna take my dog for a couple long walks and get him some exercise, but it's gloomy, and honestly I woke up with a very mysterious back pain. Like my right side really hurts, and I've been using like the Theragun, and I've been using another massage tool that I have at home, and nothing's working. So I'm not gonna work out today. I don't want to strain it anymore. I went for a short run yesterday morning, and I honestly feel like just moving my arms a lot during my run hurt my back even more. Sorry, my camera the angle keeps changing because I don't have a tripod in this car, so I'm just kind of like putting it up on my dash and it keeps moving, so I apologize. But yeah, anyways, I'm not gonna go work out today because it really freaking hurts, and I'm already going to the infrared sauna. So honestly, I feel like I'm good, you know? I'm just gonna go on a few long walks, move my body because I actually have to take my dog to the bathroom, and like just be active because it feels good. But I'm not doing any crazy workouts today. I am just gonna be kind of chilling. I have my casting right now, which is quite far away, and then I am gonna pick up lunch on the way home, and I'm gonna do some work, go to my sauna, and then just have a chill, relaxing night, and focus on getting in bed early and getting a good night's rest. Okay guys, so I just got home from my casting and I picked up some stuff from Bluestone Lane. This is my lunch. It's the rainbow bowl, and I added chicken to it, which looks absolutely delicious. And then I got these two things for a side for dinner. I got some carrots and broccoli. I got a matcha latte with almond milk to have now. And then I got a Impossible Burger with fries for my boyfriend. And then, like I said, these two things I'm gonna eat with my dinner tonight. So I just got those like ahead of time because we don't have groceries and we're not going shopping until tomorrow. So I figured those would be good for dinner, and I'm just gonna eat this right now. I am super hungry, so I'm very excited. As I said earlier, I don't really do anything different on these days. Pretty much just go right back into my regular routine, eat yummy, delicious, but healthy food that makes me feel good, and that's pretty much it. So I just finished my lunch. That salad actually stuffed me. Like, I am so freaking full. It was packed with protein and healthy fats and yummy veggies. It had like edamame, raw beets, cabbage, a ton of feta cheese, spiced chicken, a whole half of an avocado, a half of an avocado, some like chimichurri yogurt dressing, spinach. I feel like there was something else in there too, but oh my god, it was huge. I had to get 2 different bowls to try to get it to fit. It ended up having to go in my huge salad bowl that's like for salad mixing that I serve to people. Oh my god, it was huge. So that really filled me up. I can't do small salads. If I'm gonna eat a salad for lunch, it's gonna be a big one. Like, I need to actually be full from it. Something else that I've really been focusing on today is just drinking my water. I try to drink at least 3 or 4 hydro flasks a day. This is a 40-ounce hydro flask. And that's just how I feel my best every day. Honestly, yes, I'm peeing every 5 minutes, but it really does, like, it does wonders for your skin, does wonders for bloating. It honestly just makes you feel really good. It gives you energy. I notice instantly when I'm like super lethargic throughout the day and you get that like midday slump, I know it's because I haven't had enough water. So I'm just gonna drink some water. I'm doing work on my computer and just like sitting on the couch and playing with my dog. And after I digest for a little bit, I'm gonna go for a walk before my sauna session. I've just got back. I've already started eating, so my dinner's like half gone, but I just made some quinoa. Those are the veggies from Bluestone and a little chicken burger, and I'm just having this for right now. I feel so good after that sauna session. I showered, I feel amazing. So honestly, just the best. Hey guys, whoa, my hair looks really dark in the viewfinder. That's interesting. It is the next day and I realized I never wrapped up the vlog. I'm sitting here drinking my coffee and I was like, I need to edit my vlog. Then I was thinking, wait a minute, I never did an outro. I just showed you guys the sauna and then that was it, and my dinner. But anyways, I just wanted to kind of wrap up this vlog and say to you guys that I used to be so freaking crazy about my routine. And I still love it so much. Like, it really does make me feel amazing. And there's a reason why we have our morning and evening and whatever everyday routines. However, it's so important to let yourself enjoy life and kind of go with what you want in the moment. And my mom would always tell me, like, my grandmother would say this, she lived till almost 100 years old, and she would say, if your body wants it, let it have it. It's like, it's what's best for you, I guess. It's what's healthiest, she used to say. Like, if you want to do something in the moment, like, don't regret it, because it's what you want to do in that moment, you know? So anyways, I really don't do anything special to get back into routine. I kind of just go with what I'm feeling. If I'm feeling a workout the next day, then I'll do a workout. If my back hurts or if I'm just not feeling it, I won't do it. I had a collab with that sauna company, I don't know, with that sauna place, so I went, but otherwise I'm not gonna like go. I really want to emphasize that I'm not like going to the sauna specifically because I had like sushi and cocktails on the weekend. Like, that's not why. I literally just like set up that collab last week, and so I already had it, so I was like, okay, well, I'm going to the sauna, like, why not? It was super relaxing. I listened to a podcast the whole time and just kind of like chilled out, and it was actually kind of like meditation almost, and I left and felt like super recentered and just like awesome. So that was great. Highly recommend. But yeah, overall, I'm just getting back in the swing of work. I've been doing laundry and kind of cleaning and doing housekeeping things. Today I have a workout with my trainer. So yeah, overall, I'm just going back to life as normal, and that is life though. Like, the thing about routines and our like daily habits is that part of life and part of our routine is the fact that we're not always in routine, and the fact that life happens and it's going to continue happening. And it's not about how you handle your daily routine, it's more about how you handle those little hiccups, or not even hiccups, but those little moments when you get thrown out of routine. How you handle that and how you bounce back from that is really, I feel like those are the most important moments. So for me, it's really just like letting myself live and be happy and do what I want in the moment, and then knowing that I can always go back the next day and go right back to my routine. And there's so much beauty in that, and it motivates you so much more to like stick to kind of your little ways of living throughout the week. And I love it, I really do. So I love you guys all so much. I hope this wasn't too rambly. I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.